PLANTSEX for humans. What's it all about? What's going on? What's the situation? Here's the solution. As many of you might have heard already, the bees aren't doing their job well enough. It's up to us to start pollinating the plants now. And as you might have already heard on the news, here's one of the solutions. I've got it freshly packaged over here. I think I'm one of the first people to review it, so let's go for it. All right, we can see there's a pair of boxers. You can see that there's some nice detailing along the top of the band. You can see this funky contraption. As explained in their description, it is a unisex product, so there's no need to look for the right one, and it's also one size fits all. So let's see what's underneath it. Alrighty, we've got a really long cable with a very interesting looking contraption on the end of it. Now, I've already read the instructions on how this works and what are the requirements, and as I'm not outside to start pollinating the flowers, I've brought my own flowers. This one does have pollen, so this will be flower A, which has to give the pollen to flower B, which is over here. There are no bees in this circumstance, which is what they would usually be doing, so we are there to replace them by using this pair of boxers. Once you've got the boxers on, it's very straightforward. You take the cable, it should be outside of your pants. You can hold it, fits very nicely and ergonomically inside of your hand. And you go up to flower A, which does have the pollen. You go tickle, tickle, tickle. You will then receive a small amount of pleasure, not a lot, because it's not the end of the process. You go to flower B, you go tickle, 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 and boom! You've got reproduction within the flowers, something that the bees are not doing very well at the moment. So it's up to you to be doing this. So, now that I've given you guys an example of how this works and what it does, what do you think? Would you use it? Would you not? Do you see any flaws with it? Is it too extreme for you? Let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, we'll maybe discuss it in a later video. See you next time, guys.